Olá a todos! Today I will be covering negatives in Portuguese. Are you familiar with the words não, ninguém, nada, nunca, nenhum, and nem? These are very useful words, and from my experience, students usually struggle using them to express negation correctly. In this episode, I will walk you through each negative and teach you how to master each one, giving practical examples to help you. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support my content. I recently reached 14,000 subscribers, so thanks to all who have already subscribed. E agora, vamos começar! Anyone learning Portuguese is familiar with the most common negative word, não, no. But today we're going to cover all negation words and how each one is used. In grammar, negatives are words like not or never that negate the verb used in sentences or clauses. The sentence, eu gosto de laranjas, I like oranges, and eu não gosto de laranjas, I don't like oranges, have totally opposite meanings because of the presence of the negative não. The placement of negatives in Portuguese can vary depending on the grammatical structure of the sentence. Another interesting aspect of negatives in Portuguese is the common use of double negation, não plus another negative word, usually required in most sentences for correctness, as you will soon see. Não in English can mean no, not. This is the most basic form to negate. Não is an adverb, contrary to yes. We can use it to negate verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs as well as complete sentences. Eu não gosto de chocolate. I don't like chocolate. Parece-me que o Romeu não está feliz hoje. I feel like Romeo is not happy today. Gostas de sushi? Não muito. Do you like sushi? Not that much. Nem. This word, meaning neither, nor, or, and even, is generally used as a conjunction to separate ideas, negating them in sentences. It can also be used to list two negative ideas meaning or. Ela não come carne nem peixe. She doesn't eat meat or fish. In some sentences, it can mean even, as when we say, vou ter de pagar com cartão, não tenho nem uma moeda. I'm going to have to pay by card. I don't even have a coin. Like the word não, nem can also be used in fixed expressions. Gostas de bacalhau? Nem por isso. Do you like codfish? Not really. Nada expresses the idea of nothing and anything in Portuguese. It is used in sentences to express the absence of something. Here are three different examples. Pay close attention to all the double negatives. Estava tão escuro que eu não podia ver nada. It was so dark, I couldn't see anything. Não houve nada de positivo naquela reunião. There was nothing positive at that meeting. Preciso de fazer compras. Não tenho nada no frigorífico. I need to go shopping. I don't have anything in the fridge. Nunca. Here's an extreme adverb, as it means never, not ever, or at no time. It is used to indicate that something isn't a habit of yours. Something has not happened or will not happen. For example, when I say, eu nunca bebo vinho, means that the speaker has not drunk wine in the past and does not plan to drink it in the future. It can also be used in some fixed expressions combined with other adverbs, as in, assustaste-me? Nunca mais faças isso. You scared me. Don't ever do that again. Jamais is another word meaning never, but a more formal and emphatic way of expressing negation. equivalent to under any circumstance. Eu jamais provaria carne de canguru. I would never try kangaroo meat. Ele jamais me mentiria. He would never lie to me. This negation word is often used with the conditional or imperfect tense with conditional value, but it can be used with other tenses and moods, like in this example. Detestei o serviço daquele restaurante. Eu jamais voltarei lá. I hated that restaurant's service. I will never go back there. Ninguém. This indefinite pronoun translates as nobody or no one in English. It is used to indicate the absence or non-existence of someone or anyone in the abstract. Não está ninguém em casa. Nobody's home. Não há ninguém que perceba tanto do negócio como a minha patroa. There is no one who knows as much about the business as my boss. Nenhum. Here's another indefinite pronoun indicating absence. It means none, any, and neither. When compared to ninguém, nenhum indicates the absence of something or negates the existence of something. It can be used to refer to people with a combination nenhum plus a noun, indicating people. It needs to agree in gender and number with the noun it's referring to, since we have nenhum, nenhuma, nenhuns, nenhumas. Eu não tenho nenhuns trocos. I don't have any spare change. Nenhuma das coisas que eu queria estava disponível online. None of the things I wanted were available online. Queres saber qual dos meus colegas foi à reunião? Nenhum deles. Do you want to know which of my colleagues went to the meeting? None of them. Prefere chá ou café? Nenhum deles. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Neither. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to leave me a like and a comment. Até à próxima!